Hi, so you probably actually can't see me that well at the moment because I've decided to come all the way up to the highest point in Swansea to tell you about the birthdays today. I thought, what better way to celebrate being Welsh, that is right, being Welsh, I thought I'd pointed the wrong way then, and having birthdays and living in a beautiful place. So if you look behind me, this is Swansea at sunset. Doesn't it look amazing? All the colours from the sunset. Well, I can tell you that we've had some important birthdays over the last week or so, and they are Mrs. Hayes in year 5. It's been her birthday this week, but also we've got in year 4, Mrs. Jones' class, Carrie, Toby and Nathaniel, and in year 5, Mrs. Hayes' class, Mia. It was her birthday last Friday. So let's sing a big happy birthday to them while we really enjoy these views over the beautiful city of Swansea where we live. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for, I have in my hands the winners of our St David's Day competition. So here we go. In nursery, we've got a first and a second place. And in second place, we have Lexi. Congratulations, Lexi. In first place, we have Lily Grace. A huge big well done to you. So watch out, because at your doorstep, you will be delivered your prizes very, very soon. In reception, Dosbarth Derbyn. In third place, we have Freddie, that's Freddie F. In second place, we have Rudy. And in first place, we have Ava. Big well done to you all. Wonderful entries to our competitions. Blwyddyn Un, year 1. In third place, we have Holly. Oh, we've got two people. Holly M and Millie H. In second place, we have Ava. And in first place, we have Artie. So a huge big well done to all of you. It must have been so hard to make a decision between third place. We've got two winners. Blwyddyn Dau, year 2. In third place, we have Tilly. In second place, we have Faith. And in first place, we have Ryan. Okay, Blwyddyn Tree. In third place, our decision was too hard to make again. We've got two winners, Lola and Frankie. In second place, we have Jasper. And in first place, Leo. Well done to all of you. Blwyddyn Pedwar. In third place, two winners again, goodness me, Brianna and Lauren H. In second place, we have Lexi, and in first place, it is Elliot. Bendigedig Dianol, Blwyddyn Pimp. In third place, we have Jack. Oh, well done, Jack. In second place, Lyra, and in first place, it's Ryan. And last year group of all, last but not least, Blwyddyn Chwech. In third place, we have Archie. In second place, we have Lola. And last but not least, and Guntaf. In first place, it is Rio. Huge big well done to you all. You've done super well. Thank you so much for sending in your brilliant entries for our St David's Day competitions. Keep your eyes peeled, watch the doorstep, see when your deliveries might come to you. Well done all. Well, winter is now officially gone and spring is officially here. The days are getting longer and we've got things to look forward to for the first time in a long time. So I thought I'd end our assembly today with a poem called Daffa Down Dilly. It's by A.A. Milne, who is the author of the Winnie the Pooh books. And while I read, I'm going to show you photos of flowers from all around the school at the moment, because there's all sorts of different daffodils in bloom at Brynhyfryd Primary School. Here we go. Daffa Down Dilly. She wore her yellow sunbonnet. She wore her greenest gown. She turned to the south wind and curtsied up and down. She turned to the sunlight and shook her yellow head, and whispered to her neighbour, "Winter is dead." Well, I hope you've enjoyed our time together today, and we'll see you again this Friday for another Brynhyfryd Connected.